Alright, so today in this video we're going to be going over simultaneous equations. So this is our first example and this is our second example, and we're going to be going over these two from step by step, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve these two equations. So firstly, we have two equations in this one. So this is our first equation and this is our second equation. Alright, you don't have to label this, but just to get it in your head, you can write down that is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So what you have to do is you have to do 2x plus y. So you need to write down 2x plus y, and that equals to 5. So equals to 5, that's written over there. And then x plus y equals to 3. Now I didn't line it up properly over here, but it's important that you line it up, and then you do minus, and so you subtract these two, and that will give you minus y. So from the left side it gives you minus y, and from the right side that gives you plus 1 or 1. They're both the same thing. So from the left side it gives you minus y, and from here it gives you plus 1. And now what you do, this is the important step. So you do y equals to 1. After you get y equals to 1, you have to substitute y equals to 1 in the second equation. So that's our second equation, linking back to the labeling that we did. This is our second equation. So you do x plus 1, that's 3, and from here it's like common sense, 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So you do x equals to 3 minus 1, and x equals to 2, and the answer for this question is 2. So x is equal to 2. So the x will be the same for both of these equations, so x is going to be equal to 2 for both of them. Going over to the second equation, what you have to do is again subtract them both. So when you subtract like we did over here, I don't have enough space to rewrite that. So when you subtract, that will give you minus 8y from the left side, and that will be equal to 16 when you subtract them both. When you're subtracting, make sure to keep your minus sign away from the x, so it's not minus x minus y, and the subtraction is away from this equation, the second equation. So you do the second equation and you times that which I think a bit above. So you have the second equation and you times the second equation by 5. So after you times that by 5, you should get minus 8y equals 16. So you times everything by 5 over here, and then you get y is equal to minus sorry, not minus, y is equal to 16 divided by minus 8, and that will give you 2. So over here y is going to be equal to minus 2. You can't forget the minus sign. After this 1 minus 2, you need to substitute it. So you need to substitute y equals to minus 2 in the second equation. So you need to substitute that into the second equation, and after you substitute it, you will get x minus 2 equals to 4, and then you do x plus 2, that is equal to 4. And again, like I said, the common sense of like in the previous question, x equals to 4 minus 2, so x is going to be equal to 2 over here. So x is equal to 2 in this question as well. Hopefully you understood this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.